Good afternoon, students. So today here I am going to explain the class 6th standard adding and subtracting fractions. Very simple. Yesterday in the previous class I taught in the one more chapter, that is for fractions. Basic things I have taught here. What do you mean by fraction? Fraction is a part of whole, and numerator, which is the numerator value, which is the denominator value. Everything I taught in this chapter, in the previous chapter. So this is the class that is chapter number 17. So I am going to explain that is chapter number 17. So what we will study in this chapter means we will study the addition of adding like fractions, unlike fractions, right? Addition of like fractions and addition of mixed fractions, unlike fractions. These and all we will get. Mixed fraction also, and subtraction of fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions and mixed fractions. These and all we will get study in this chapter. Let us study. I will explain in this based on I will explain first adding like fractions, adding like this. That is the first one I am going to explain here. See, add the fractions. Add the like fractions. Just like fractions means, remember here, the denominator value should be same. The denominator should be same. The numerator value we can change. We are getting the difference value, no problem. But in this, we will get, that is, denominator should be. Now the first question, 2 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So the denominators are same. Then we have to take commonly 11. And 2 plus sign is there. And 8. What is the value of get 2 plus 8? We have to add this. This 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 divided by 11. This is the first question we have done. Similarly, I will do that second one. This is B. So you can understand easy. 5 by 7 plus 9 by 7. You see here. Both the denominators are same. Then we have to take common ones, like terms. So this is the numerator plus 5. 5 plus 9. So if we add this, what we will get? 5 plus 9 or 9 plus 5. What we will get? So that is 14. 14 by 7. Right? If we are, we can cancel also. 7. 13 by 5 plus 8 by 5. Now you see. The both denominators should be common. The both value of that. This is 13 plus 8. Numerator should be added when the denominators are same, like terms. Right? 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 divided by 5. Now I can write the fourth also. D1. C. So I can write 12 by 17 plus 9 by 17. So you see here, 17 should be as it is, the denominator should be same once you have to take, and the numerator value 12 plus 9. So if you add this, it will become 21 by 17. This is the value of that. So we solve that four sums. Still I will explain the few questions on base 1. This is E1. You have to copy in the classwork also. Huh? See here. You can see and write also. Okay. Okay now. Now, the E1 you see here. Explain E1. So here 18 by 19 plus 21 by 19. Now you got this? See here. Denominators should be common. Denominators are like terms, same. Numerator 18 plus 21. How much we got? 21 plus 18 is how much? 39. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 39 divided by 90. This is we got E. Then F. This is F. (12) divided by 25 plus 17 divided by 25. Now you see. Denominator once we have to take commonly. Right? And we add this 12 plus 17. Now 12 plus 17 is how much? 37. So 2 plus 5 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 37 divided by 25. This is the value of that F. Understood? Now G. So what we have to take? 16 by 15 plus we can take 8 by 15 next plus 7 by 15. 3 like that we are taken, but 3 of the denominators are same. Common we have to take. 16 plus 8 plus 7. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 7 is how much? 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 divided by 15. This is the value like that we have to take. Did you got understood? 3 values we have to take like that. Got understood? Okay. Now the second one, first question, you can see here. First question I am giving here. 18 by 5 minus, subtract the fractions. Second one, subtract the fractions. Minus sign. 15 by 5. Now you see here. Denominators are same. These are the like terms. 5 common as it is. And what is the numerator? 18 minus 15. So 18 minus 15 is how much? 3. 3 divided by 5. This is the first one question. A. Now similarly I will give that second sub question B. You can see here 24 by 9 minus 15 by 9. Can you see that one? Denominators are both like terms as it is once. 24 minus 15. So 24 minus 15 is how much we will get? That is 9. Right? So 9 divided by 9. 24 minus 15 is 9. 9 ones are cancelled. We will get 1. This is the value of that one. Both are same, numerator and denominator are same value. Then we have to cancel by same table. We will get answer 1. 9 ones are cancelled. 9 ones are 9 ones are 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. We can cancel in a one table only. Now C1 36 minus 13 minus 12 divided by 13. Now you tell me. Denominator should be like terms as it is. Then 36 minus 12. Now you say, can you tell me this? 36 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 24 divided by 13. This is the third one, C1. Now I am going to explain the D1. See here. I will explain here. 48 by 25 minus 20 by 25. Now you see, the both denominators are like terms, same, common ones. We can take 48 minus 20. 20. This is the 20. Now you tell me, 8 minus 0 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. And denominator should be as it is 25. These are the 4 questions we are given here. So A, B, C, D I have done. Still I will do. I will explain you all. Right? So next one. This part you can copy also. I will give here just once. You see and write off also in the classwork. Understood? Heading right, adding and subtraction fractions. Chapter number 17. Understood? Okay. Now E1. E1 you see. E1. 54 by 17 minus 28 by 17. Like that we have to do. Now you can tell me that 17 should be like term as it is. The denominator value same once. That is 54 minus 28. Now you tell me. 54 minus 28 is how much? 14 minus 8, 6 and 4 left here. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 26 divided by 17. This is the answer of that. Now the F answer. You see here. Hundred by 71 minus 64 divided by 71. Now you tell me. 71 we cannot take. 31 we can take. No problem. 31 we have to do here. 31. Okay. 31. Now you tell me the common denominator is 31 because like terms are there. Then the numerator value should be as it is 100 minus 64. Right? Now if you subtract here, I will write off here only. Now if you subtract 100 minus 34 is 36. 100 minus 64 is 36 and divided by 31. This is the answer of that. Now we have done the second mean also. You have to copy in their classwork also. No problem. Right? Okay. Now you see the third main. Solve the following. First one is. This is given 12 by 5 plus 9 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Like terms. Because like terms means commonly we have to take 5 denominators. So above value is 12 plus 9 minus 4. So 12 as it is. You have to plus 1 minus will be there. Plus 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is plus 5. And denominator value should be as it is. After that 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 by 5. Did you got understood? Understood? Like terms, denominator should be as it is. Numerator plus 12, 9 minus 4. This you have to subtract in this. 9 minus 4 is 5. 12 should be as it is. 12 plus 9 minus 4 is 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. This is the value of that. We got in that. Now similarly the B1. Right? B1 I will see here. So here 18 by 11 plus 21 by 11 minus 13 by 11. Now you see. The denominators are same, like terms, should as it is. 18 plus 21 minus 13. 18 plus 21 minus 13. Now we can do, if you subtract in this into this, no problem. So if you subtract in this to this, no problem. 21 should be as it is. Plus 18 minus 13 is 5. Because plus 18 minus 13 is plus 8. So denominator value should be, the bigger value sign should be applied here. In that bigger value, that is 18. 18 is a plus value. That plus 18 minus 13 is plus 5 remaining. Then 21 should be as it is. The denominator should be 11. If you add this both value, that is 21 plus 5 is 26 divided by 11. This is the second sum we are done here. Now the third one, C. Okay. (32 by 13 minus 18 by 13 plus 12 by 13. Now we are given a little bit alteration. We are done in the alternating question. So let us solve, no problem. Denominator should be as it is because denominators are like terms. This is 32 plus this is minus 18 and plus 12. This is we got. This plus this we have to add. This plus value and this plus value. 32 plus 4 is 44. 44 minus 18 should be as it is divided by 13. Now you tell me 44 minus 18 is how much? 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6 and here 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is divided by 36 divided by 13. 13 ones are cancelled, 13 twos are 26. That is 2 answer. 2 divided by 1 is 2 1. This is the answer we are getting in that. Right? So we will get this type of answers. Okay? Now you see that D1. D. 66 divided by 23 minus 42 divided by 23 plus 18 by 23. Now you see the like terms are there. Denominator should be same once you take. Another numerator value 66 minus 42 plus 18. Now you tell me, this plus this we have to add, this plus value we have to add in that. 66 plus 18, 8 plus 6 is how much? 14, carry 1. 6, 7, 8. See here, 66 plus 18, don't get confusion. 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now in the 84 we have to subtract 42 and divide by 23 should be as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 8 minus 4 is 4 and the denominator value will be as it is. This is the 4 sums we are done in the simplification. Understood? Now you see the fourth main, simplify the following. First one is again 5 by 2 and 8 plus 8 by 3. Denominators are same? No. These are unlike terms. Which terms? Unlike terms. Which one? Unlike terms. Because like terms having denominator same, but they are this and all unlike terms. If unlike terms are there, their denominators are different, then the denominators are different in the fraction, then we have to take the LCM. We have to take LCM of denominators, that is 2 and 3 is what we will get. We have to check here. 2, 3. LCM you do. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. In 2 table 3 will not get. Again 3 we have to take. 3 1s are 3. That is the value of 2 into 3 is equal to 6 LCM. Did you got understood? So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. We got the LCM of that. And after that, you see here, 5 by 2 plus 8 by 3. See here, simple techniques I will explain you. Are very easy method. In 2 table, what is the LCM we got? 6. In 2 table, when it will come? 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. And 3 2s are 6. I will explain in the next page. Continue. See here. Continuation. See. 5 by 2 into 2 3s are 6. Into what we are taking, that is only we have to take. No, don't want simple method, I will explain here. See here. 5 by 2 is there. 5 by 2 and 8 by 3 is there. LCM is 6. Right? 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are multiplication we have to do here. 2 3s are 6. And 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Very simple techniques. So 5 3s are you have to multiply here 15 plus 8 2s are 16. And divided by 2 and 3 is what we got? 2 and 3 is what is the LCM of them? 6. Then we have to do this 20 31. So this is add, if we add this 31 divided by 6. This is the first sub question and that given in the fourth main I have done here. Understood? Now you see the second one, 7 by 3 plus 15 by 7, but the denominators are not same. Then we have to take the LCM. So in the LCM of answer, LCM of 3 and 7 is what we will get. You check it here. 3, 7. 3 1s are 3, 7 as it is. 7 1s are 7, this as it is. What is the value of? So 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21. We got the LCM of 21, right? And is 21 because 3 and 7 LCM is 21 we got here, right? And after that, 7 by 3 plus 15 by 7. In 3 table, when it will come 7, 27, 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. And very simple, 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Now you see 7 7s are 14. Both you add 7 7 plus 15 3s are 45. (49) 7 7s are 49 plus 5 3s are 15. And denominator y. What is the LCM? 3 and LCM is what? 3 and 7 is 21. Now if we add this, so what we will get? Now what we have to do? We have to add this. Third 14. 14 means 80, 94. 94 divided by 21. Right? This is the answer of that.